Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is MUHARNITA and you can call me Rima. I study at Padang State University and major in Family Welfare Education and my concentration is Fashion Design. This video is the middle exam from my English profession course, and in this video I wanna tell you about body measurement. When we want to make a cloth, we need some size from the body. Body measurement refers to measuring the actual person who will wear a garment. Here, some body measurement that we need to make a cloth is bust, waist, hip and hip length, across back, chest, back length, shoulders length, sleeve length, and bust point. Finally, thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry even I make a mistake. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.